This is the Mauser 66 sniper rifle. This is an Israeli version. It's from the collection of James Earl Jones. It's in .308 Winchester. I'm going to be engaging targets at 200 yards, 350 yards, and 550 yards. The 250 and 350 have green flashers on them. I'm going to be shooting M118 ammunition. It's got a 3-round internal box magazine. I'm going to engage the 200-yard target first. Okay. I'll engage it again, 200 yards. Hit. Moving out to 350. Hit. Hit. This has a BDC on it, although it is for an M14, but it is an M118. Moving the BDC out to approximately 550, and let's see what we get. Hit. Again. Hit. One more. And hit.